Hi friends, this is Sanjay Pandita from Success Academy. Today discuss about how to become rich with SIP in details. Please watch the video till end to understand it completely. Systematic Investment Plan, SIP, is a great way to invest in the stock market and grow your wealth over the long term. However, there is no guarantee that investing in the stock market will make you rich, and it is important to understand the risks involved. Here are some tips to help you get started with SIP and potentially increase your chances of success. Set clear financial goals. Determine your financial goals and the time horizon for achieving them. This will help you choose the right SIP investment options that align with your goals. Start early. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Even small contributions made regularly over a long period can result in significant returns. Choose the right funds. Research the available mutual funds and choose those that have a good track record of consistent returns. Diversify your portfolio by investing in different types of funds such as large cap, mid cap, and small cap. Invest regularly. Make regular contributions to your SIP investment to take advantage of the power of compounding. This will help you accumulate wealth over the long term. Stay invested for the long term. The stock market can be volatile in the short term, but historically it has shown a positive trend over the long term. Therefore, it is important to stay invested for the long term to benefit from the potential returns. Monitor your investments. Keep track of your investments regularly and rebalance your portfolio if necessary. Also, review your financial goals periodically and adjust your investment strategy accordingly. Remember, investing in the stock market involves risks, and it is important to do your research and make informed decisions. Seek the advice of a financial advisor if you are unsure about your investment strategy. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe the video and please don't forget to press bell icon. It motivates us to make informative videos for you. If you want to learn about share market and its trading strategies online live video classes, please drop your mail at info@successacademy.in or WhatsApp at +91 97972566675.